Say we're adding 79 and 65.
Uh-huh.
The total will be 144. And then adding and subtracting that way.
Say we're adding 79 and 65. The total will be 144. And then adding and subtracting that way.
Say we're adding 79 and 65. The total will be 144. And then adding and subtracting that way.
Can you show me the Burroughs adding machine you have over there?
Right.
But we put so much labor into them.
Yeah.
It's just, they're just not worth,
Is this for sale?
yeah.
How much is it?
You're looking at $150 to have it in working order.
Wow. What is this thing? Is that part of it?
No, that's what we use to open the case with.
Okay.
What happens is, in order to get inside,
Uh-huh.
we made a special tool.
So you manufactured
here.
that? Okay, because the key is gone.
Yes, and then we can open. The only time you need to open that is to get in there and work on it.